Hello, 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 hello. Hin khonop laya chom nghe. Một lệ chân pan. Hello guys, ti aki pa ko. Say di na ilo cho. Hin khua hi. Thil tam pi ki gel. Aki gel zo se hi. Apha. Nang gel ding apha. Ahi le apha. But what you should focus is that what you think is really matter for you, or else it's just time pass or wasting times, or you're just doing a time pass. But more importantly, you should focus on your future, which will give you more life, and then beautiful life, creating your own happiness. Not everything can be created, but happiness and enjoying your life is somehow it's not very common in our society. So you should try to be something unique, and then you should live for a matters of your life. Okay, don't push yourself. Always believe in yourself. Cool down. Always ask people and be always down to earth, and there will be a lots to come in your life. So that's all how you want to, or how you can grow. And most of us are light, we don't want to be light or honest enough to grow. We want to grow it in 1 or 2 days, maybe in one year we want to uh, make lots of money, wealth, fortune, or maybe whatever it is you want to be. But then everything take times, if you want to become a success person in your life. So the more you want to success, should always have the more patience in your life. If you don't have patience enough and trust yourself, there's no chance that you will be success in your life. Success matters, but always discipline and manners are more importantly matters in life. You may get success in your life, but if you don't have any manners, that's meaningless for you. And for the peoples, you are not a good example anymore. So money can do anything, but then if you don't have your own dignity, you cannot be a great person in your life. Alright guys, let's catch up back again tomorrow. And for today, this much message I can deliver for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Okay, bye bye.